Unit 1. The number system. Natural numbers. The numbers used in counting are called natural numbers n. These are 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. A natural number is denoted by a small m or a small n in general. The natural number next to m is called successor of m, that is m plus. For example, 1 plus equal to 2, 2 plus is equal to 3, etc. The rules are m plus 1 equal to m plus. M plus successor of n is equal to successor of m plus n. The fundamental theorem of arithmetic. If n is a natural number greater than 1, then n can be written uniquely as p1 to the power k1, p2 to the power k2, p3 to the power k3, up to pt to the power kt, where p1, p2, pt are prime numbers and k1, k2, kt are natural numbers. For example, 6 equal to 2 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 1, 8 equal to 2 to the power 3, 12 equal to 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 1, etc. Prime numbers. A natural number is said to be composite if it is different from 1 and can be expressed as a product of two or more natural numbers called factors of the number. A natural number is called prime if it is not composite and different from 1. For example, 4, 6, 9, 18 are composite numbers, and 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 are prime numbers. 2 is the smallest prime number and is the only even prime number. SCF and LCM. A natural number h is said to be the highest common factor HCF of two natural numbers a and b if h divides a and h divides b, and if d divides a and d divides b, then d divides h, where d is another natural number. A natural number L is called least common multiple LCM of two natural numbers a and b if a divides L and b divides L, and if a divides m and b divides m, then L divides m, where m is another natural number. Two natural numbers a and b are called relatively prime or prime to each other if they contain no common factor except 1. In that case, SCF of a comma b is equal to 1. For example, 8 and 15. If a and b are two natural numbers such that HCF of AB equal to H, then A upon H and B upon H are relatively prime. Integers. The equation x plus n equal to 0, where n is a natural number, gives x equal to minus n, that is negative of a natural number, which is called negative integer, as the set n is positive integers. So the set I of positive and negative integers including the number 0 is called the set of integers. Thus I equal to minus infinity and so on, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Every integer a can be written as ordered pair of two natural numbers m comma n, where a equal to m minus n. If m greater than n, we get positive integers. If m less than n, we get negative integers. If m equal to n, we get the integer 0. The rules are: if a equal to m comma n, b equal to p comma q, then a plus b equal to m plus p comma n plus q. A into b equal to mp plus nq comma mq plus np. The division algorithm, which is also known as Euclidean algorithm. If a and b are integers, b not equal to 0, then there exist integers q and r such that a equal to bq plus r with 0 less than or equal to r less than mod b. Further, if a equal to bq1 plus r1 with 0 less than or equal to r1 less than mod b, then r equal to r1 and q equal to q1, where mod b is the numerical value of b. When a and b are two integers such that a minus b is divisible by a fixed positive integer m, then we write a is congruent to b modulo m. For example, 9 is congruent to 4 modulo 5, since 9 minus 4 is divisible by 5, and also 9 is congruent to minus 11 modulo 5, etc. A plus mb equal to r means r is the least non-negative remainder when a plus b is divided by m. A plus mc equal to b plus mc. This is a rule. Some other rules are: let a comma b comma c be three integers such that a and b are relatively prime and a divides bc, then a divides c. Let p be a prime integer and a comma b be any two integers such that p divides ab, then p divides a or p divides b.